eyebrow. Good evening on this increasingly dark, hot, sticky, uncomfortable early summer, early June. This is Vincenzo'S Go Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share for a one-of-a-kind, probability-based trading alert and the Rex eyebrow.
You can see
Vincenzo'S Go Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share for a one-of-a-kind, company-made, probability-based trading alert, technical analysis, and company philosophy, as I'm your most trusted source for blockchain technology and cryptocurrency breaking news and coin updates here on YouTube and in the cryptocurrency sphere, as that's right, old Vincenzo, me, has brought truth and integrity back into the trading system. That's right. And if we look at XRP real quick, you can see we hit that. We were in the symmetrical triangle. As we go and do a recap, we've been in the symmetrical triangle just like Bitcoin forever. And then when we hit by this, when we hit down by this blue arrow right here, we had a buy signal and a 25% pump, and we said it would come to upper resistance most likely, and it did. And then it got rejected because it's having so much trouble breaking out of the symmetrical. But you can see we had that buy signal there, and had upper resistance there, and you can see it wicked exactly to it right there. And then we said you got to watch out to see if it's not going to trade back down to your lower support, which it did, and now it's bouncing. And now what you're looking forward to is, if you need this to break up and want this to break up to make some money, you got to get a volume spike as you try to break this upper resistance, and you can make a nice run up to $1.16. Conversely, if you break down, I would have my stop losses if you bought in this trade at 77 cents. It's uptrending support, right? The bottom part of this symmetrical triangle. That would be my major area of a stop loss, because if you break this uptrending support in the symmetrical triangle, you're going to quickly fall to your 63 cent underneath target, short-term target, and then your 47 cent midterm target, right? So there's a lot of slippery slopes here if you break this uptrending support, but as long as you're above it, as long as you're above the 200-day and a 3 or 4 hour time frame, see that, you're bullish, and that's what we've been sitting on for a few days. But if you break this uptrending line, this would be your sell zone, right? That'd be your sell zone, because you would fall down here real quick. Yes, you could come back up, but you don't want to be involved in that, right? So that's what's going on there. You can see ADS. It's continuing to trade down from the other day, and this looks like we could be having a head and shoulders topping reversal pattern, or it might try to make another leg up if you can get above this. See, this is what we went over to the other day in this coin, when it broke below right here on this pump, and then it came down right when it got below this green ring on a back test, when it got rejected in that hook nose 2 bearish reversal pattern type look. We said we're very bearish now. As long as it's below this green ring, you're bearish, but if it's above the 200, you're bullish, and you can see they're going to kind of squeeze each other, and this thing's going to have to either have a big pop up to the next ring, or if it can't hold the 200-day, you're going to come back down to this 19 cents underneath support on this blue area, right? So that's what I'd be looking for in this coin. You got your 23 cent support. If you're trying to break up, you need to break north of this blue ring right here, or the green ring right here, and then you can come up to the 33 cent level, right? But if you can't do that, and you get rejected by the green ring down here, right? If this green ring rejects you, you slip the 200 and green right there, it's going to initiate a fall at least down to 19 cents, right? Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo'S Go Crypto Investing as we continue to monitor and sidestep an audible criminal gangster cartel as we end out with a little XLM love. And you can see XLM got up to that upper target, and now it's having some trouble the last few days. But it could just be trying to consolidate for one more leg up, or if it gets rejected and it slips the 200-day right here, right? If you slip that 200-day, that would be my sell zone if you got below this 200-day, because then you would come all the way down to this underneath blue ring, and nobody wants to be a part of that. If you broke that 16 cent level, right? Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love, beautiful audience.